But yeah, we got this down to almost bare metal. Well guys, it's a whole nother day. Y'all can see how that rust treatment got all that stuff ate up pretty good. So it's working real good. If somebody knows how to take this bottom trim off, drop down in the comments, let me know. I need to get that out of the way. But main focus is just this area today. We're gonna try to get this whole area done. I got my fan out here, so it's gonna be a little loud. So I'll be showing like bits and pieces of what we're doing. This area, let me see if y'all can see it. That's a real high area. I need to mess with that and see what we're gonna do there. And then that's a real low spot. So we need to sand that down and see what's going on right there. A little more rust there. And this back area is pretty bad. We'll hit that with the wire wheel or something. And right here too. So anyways, yep, let's get to work.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
I'm trying to see if I can get this light trim off. I got them loosened up with a 3/8. I don't know if it's gonna come off like this or not, but we got them off. Let's see if it falls off or comes off. Oh yeah, that wasn't hard at all. Good deal. Now we can sand right here. Somebody painted all over the light anyway. Alright, we'll put that in the trunk. I got my fan on, guys, because it's super hot, man. So I'm probably not going to do too much talk. Y'all just going to see me working. Alright, we're going to start on this area.
Talking about? I don't know.
Got this area knocked down real quick. It's not super terrible. I mean, this is all gonna be a lot of work. It don't even matter. It's gonna be a lot of work. But I was looking on the inside, seeing what I could do. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, if I want to cut this all the way out or fiberglass it. I'm not sure yet, but that's where that spot is. Hold on, let the camera brighten up. This is where that spot is. So I should be able to fix that pretty easy. And then that's a couple more right there. And I need to treat this area. Also treat it out here. I got this back part pretty good when I had the when I did the bottom, the fuel tank and all that stuff. Everything is done under there. It came out pretty good. I need to take all this old trim seal, that sealer stuff, and get all that crap out of there. Dig all that stuff out, because water is just gonna sit right there and it's gonna rust again. So I cleaned up a lot of it, but we're just gonna keep it going. I'm super hot out here. I got my music on and my fan on. We'll move to this area right now and get that knocked down and see what we got under there. This area is not too bad, but look at all them layers. That's crazy. I just want to give y'all an up close look, because I gotta knock this out today, guys. I can't record like I usually record, like showing y'all pretty much everything, but it's gonna be a lot of B-roll and fast forward, speed up. Because I mean, it's a lot of work, but I'm pretty happy with this area. We can get that cleaned up pretty good. We'll treat it on the inside too, and I don't think it'll come back right there. We'll get it down. We'll get it down some more and get this line off of here. There's one right there, and like they painted over this line and everything. I don't know why you would paint over that stuff, but anyways, we'll get it off. Or maybe they was gonna put the trim back on or something, but they should have got that line out. Let's keep it moving. What y'all think? We getting there. Y'all drop down in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. I think I need to go all the way, try to get to the middle, because this area was bubbled up pretty bad. I got a lot of that stuff off, but I think we need to go deeper. So let me know in the comments. Kind of like how we did right here, because we need to treat that metal, and whatever, you know, whatever we're gonna keep, we have to treat it. That way it don't bubble back up.
What you doing? Ha ha ha.
Streets, been pulling out them fleets.
Went deeper. Man, I'm gonna have to put my mask on, guys. This stuff is blowing everywhere. I should already have my mask on anyways, but it's super hot, so I didn't have it on. But I'm glad I went deeper, because now I can get to all of this and treat it. So this area, man, it's looking like we're gonna have to put some sheet metal in there. Let's see if we can see through. Yeah. So that shouldn't be hard to repair. We can put some sheet metal right there and weld it in. That's a lot of work. A lot of work. But it's okay. We're getting it. We're getting it there. We're getting it. You can see somebody welded in a spot anyways on here. But yeah, we'll get it, guys. Get ready to cut this part out. I'm gonna go ahead and sand these spots down too real quick. And we'll show y'all that on camera, because this area is pretty rough around the edges. So we'll go ahead and knock that out too. And then I'll work on this. I don't know what I'm gonna do there yet, but we'll just see what's under there. I forgot to turn on the camera, guys. But I already knocked this spot out a little bit, so it was rust behind there too. Let me sand this whole edge down. Yeah, it's a little knot area right there. We'll get that real quick. Everywhere the rust is popping through, we're gonna really focus real hard on it. We got one right there. Yep, right there. It's a bad spot too. And then we'll, I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet. I want to have this whole area sanded out, ready to go. Oh, also, I went and got the welder from my uncle, so shout out to Uncle Darrell if you're watching. I'm gonna use his welder. He got a Milwaukee one to weld in the patches. We're getting a lot done. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hit this spot right here. Let me show y'all to the side so y'all can kind of see it. Y'all see that line right there? And then it's a dimple right here. So I'm pretty sure that's gonna be rust under there. And then I don't know what this line is. Probably where the two pieces of sheet metal was, or whatever they put on here. But we're gonna knock that part down. let's get everything wiped off and see what we got. I'm just trying to really find like the rust spots, and we'll sand this whole panel. I just want to make sure I didn't miss any, because we got like most of them. You know what? I need to hit this part because they left like a little line on there. And then it's some cracks. That looks like cracks right there. Yeah, it is. Dang it. Let me hit this area right here. Yeah, let me hit that before I wipe everything off. Well, you know what? That 80 grit will take that down. So we're good. It'll come off. Just mainly the rust spots. Yes, sir. It's gonna be a lot of work. I wish I just paid somebody to do this. Not really. Then it wouldn't be custom instinct, right, guys? We got it wiped off pretty good. And we'll sand this whole panel. Guys, I really don't know what to do, man. This stuff is so thick. I don't know, man. And if I take it all off, ain't no telling what I'm gonna uncover. So I really got all the rust spots. It's just, I don't want to mess up the body lines. See, this line runs right here. I can get that back, but man, it's just a lot. Well, we're gonna sand this whole area down. We'll get all the paint off and see what we got. It's coming down, guys, but I think I need like a 40 grit. I'm using 80 right now, but it's like, that's taking too long. We need to at least get all this purple off and get up under there and see what we got. Man, I really don't think, cause I'm not like a super body man, otherworld or nothing like that. I don't want to go all the way to the metal because I don't know. I don't know if I can fix this back. I mean, we learning together. We got a community here, so that's what we doing. I did a little bit of sanding off camera because this is taking a while. But yeah, we getting there. We're just gonna try to have all the purple off on this panel and have it done. Let me show y'all real quick. So we switching pads, and this is an 80 grit. We got us a fresh pad on there. We're gonna knock the rest down.
hours later.
We're gonna hit this top area now. It don't look like any bondo is right there, so I'm gonna try to use the buffing pad and see what that does. Alright guys, I don't know how much y'all missed. My memory card loaded up, so the camera went off. But it looks like a storm is coming. I don't know how much more I'm gonna be able to record tonight, but yeah, we got this down to almost bare metal. I'm gonna finish up these edges right here, and then most of this panel will be sanded. Oh, it's getting cold. Yeah, we might just finish up tomorrow. To y'all, it'll be like in 2 seconds. I think that's gonna be it for the night. The storm is coming. I'm happy with it. I'm not happy with the panels on the car, but I mean, it is what it is. When you buy cars like this, you never know, and especially if you get them for a good price. So it is what it is, but we're gonna get this thing knocked out, and y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.